would love it if you would choose to be an education major in some way, because it is a great major at Monmouth College. We have a very robust history of preparing people to be teachers. Many of the teachers in the region and even across the nation have gone through our program and are fabulous teachers. We have a close-knit community in our education department, and our students get to know each other and the group of faculty very well. The faculty, for the most part, have experience teaching in the K-12 schools. I'm a former high school English teacher. My colleague Tom taught in high school science. My colleague Tammy taught in the elementary schools. So we have a lot of experience ourselves. We also are very well connected to the schools in the area, and so we get phone calls asking us if we can send them our graduates to get jobs, because the districts in our area know that we prepare our students well and they want our graduates. So our students have fabulous employment rates. Every student who graduates from our program in the last 7 or 8 years has gotten a job within about 2 months of graduation.
Awesome. And any advice for the incoming class?
Take advantage of all the wonderful opportunities that you have. You will never have a time in your life where everything is so accessible and easy. Go to musical events, go to theater events, go to sporting events, support your classmates, enjoy your time, get to know your professors, and go to class.